how to switch on or switch off the Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S24 Ultra or the Plus series. Now to switch it off, there are two different ways. First is to press the side button and the volume down key. So press on two of these keys. So simultaneously press and hold for a second. Then you will see the power menu. From here you can tap on the power off button to switch it off. Once it is switched off, you can press and hold onto the side button to turn it on. So press and hold into that button. And once you see the Samsung logo, you can let go of the button and the phone will turn it back on. Now another method to turn off the device is to swipe down at the top with two fingers to open up the notification center. In here, tap on the power button right here. So tap on that and this will open up the power menu, and then just tap on power off again to switch it off. So two methods to quickly turn off your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.